welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm nearly 39 weeks pregnant and I'm feeling it now. I'm completely out of breath. Like, I'm sat on the floor, but this is like, I've never been sat on the floor before this far along because I'm struggling. But yeah, anyway, no signs of baby boy yet. He literally could come any day. So I thought I need to get my hospital bag packed. I know other people have like packed theirs from like 30 weeks and I'm like, I'm nearly 39 weeks and I've still not packed. I've kind of packed his, but I've not packed mine. So I just thought I'd go through what I'm packing for his hospital bag and my hospital bag as a first time mum. I don't think I've gone overboard. I know I've seen a lot of other mums pack and they go pretty overboard, which, you know, I'd rather be prepared than underprepared, but I don't think I've gone overboard. But you'll probably see this and think, yeah, you have gone overboard. So I'm going to do baby boy's bag first and then mine. So I'll show you everything I've packed. I'm going to take it out. Do you know, oh, I've washed everything as well. It smells lovely. I've washed everything and I've put them in little bags. So first off, I bought this bag from Amazon and it fits so much in and it actually clips onto your wheelie carry case. So I thought, if he's ever like going for a sleepover, which I'll probably never let him out my sight, but if I do, he can use that as his carry hold case. So I bought this off Amazon, not sure how much it was, but it fits so much in. So I'm just going to go through everything I've packed. I've just realised I've packed Johnson's Baby lotion, shampoo, and I'm thinking, okay, you're not going to bath him, so, but yeah, that's me. Anyway, so first things first, I've got these bags off Amazon. So they come in a pack of like 27, so they look like that, and then you can put your stuff in. Seen loads of people on TikTok and other YouTubers do this, and I just think if there's an emergency or Sam won't know where anything is in these bags, so if I just tell him to read the front, and I've titled everything, what's in here and what colour it is, what size it is, so he can literally just get it himself in case I'm incapable or whatever. So yeah, I've got these, which they're really handy. So I don't know how big he's going to be, so I've packed different sizes just in case. I did get a growth scan. I got a growth scan 2 days ago because the midwife thought he was measuring small. Got to my growth scan and he's actually measuring big. So I don't know which one's which. So I just thought I'm packing newborn first size and 0 to 3, which I think's wise. So I've literally got in here 3 first size sleep suits, 3 newborn vests, 3 newborn hats, 2 newborn socks, and newborn mitts. So this is my newborn bag, which I might not even use because apparently he's measuring big. So I've literally just got little vests and sleep suits in here for as soon as he comes out. I think these look massive for newborn, and they smell so nice because I've washed them all. And look at these little socks. Can you cope? Cute. So yeah, that is the newborn / 1 months in there, which I may use, I may not. That's his newborn bag. Then I've got another one, 0 to 3. I don't know if, I've never had a baby before, so I'm not sure if 0 to 3 is too big. I might just put 1 or 2 0 to 3 sleep suits in because they said he is measuring big, but we'll see. And then I've got his coming home outfits. I'll show you these. So in here we've got 2 options just in case he doesn't fit into his first option. So his first option, my grandma got me from M&S. Look at that. It's got that. Oh, love how nice they smell. Them little pants, and then a matching hat, and then his little blue cardi to come home with, and his little bobby hat. But This outfit, which I wanted him to come home in, it's only for babies up to 7.5 pounds, and he got measured yesterday and he's way above 7.5 pounds. He's going into like 9 pounds now, and he's probably only going to get bigger. So just in case, I think this is newborn, but it's a little bit bigger. I've brought this with me, just in case that one doesn't fit. I think they look crazy. I've ironed all these, believe it or not. But yeah, I can smell the furry non-bio on them. So yeah, I've got 2 coming home outfits just in case he doesn't fit in his £7 one, which I don't. This little jacket, look at that, it's got a little, and then the matching bobby hat. I just want him here now, I'm just fed up. So yeah, that is his coming home outfit, which is 2 outfits just in case. I'm just trying to think. Oh yeah, I've got mitts. Next one, we have his accessories. In here I've just got 3 Muslims, 3 bibs, nappy cream, hairbrush, nappy sacks, cotton wool. That's it really. Just that's his little, and it's got his bibs in for when he comes out, and all his accessories. I'm just trying to think. Oh, I've got nappies as well, so that's that for him. Then we have, I'm not probably going to need a full pack, but I'll just take them in anyway. These are newborn Aldi nappies, so they're going in this little bag as well. And then we have a variety of blankets. So I'm going to take this one in, which is quite thick. Someone from Sam's Work knitted us this. It's dead soft. So I'm going to take that one in, and I'm going to take another one in just in case. And then just a normal blue one that's a little bit longer if needed. So apparently I've packed baby shampoo. Probably not going to need it because I don't want him washing. You're not supposed to really wash newborns for a couple of days to let all like everything in the skin get good. So I'm going to take that anyway, but I won't use it. I know I won't. Oh, just a pack of baby wipes. You never know when you need baby wipes. I'm definitely taking them. And then just a little bunny to go with. So that is basically his bag done. I just need to add in some 0 to 3 month sleep suits just in case. But I think, how many babies are born and they don't fit into newborn stuff? I don't know. I haven't got a clue because I've never had a baby before. But yeah, that's his bag done. If I can fasten it up. And then, see on the back of here, you put your, it clips onto your wheelie carry case. So that's his done, which I'm going to put downstairs ready at the door. And then mine is literally just in a suitcase. I'll show you it now. I'm going to take it all out anyway because I don't even know what I've got in here. And then I'll show you. Basically it's just in like this, a suitcase. So in here we have God knows what, because I can't even remember. It's like packed but not packed. So first of all, my toiletries. I've probably gone a little bit overboard with myself because I like to feel nice. I don't want to feel groggy and stuff. So I've literally got hair clip, bobbles, brush, Dove soap, baby wipes, shampoo and conditioner, another little bobble, some toothpaste, deodorant and some lip balm because I know your lips get really dry in labour. So that's all me. They're all my little toiletries. I just need to pack my toothbrush later on. I should have just bought a new one, but it doesn't better. So that's my toiletries. Then in here I've got my TENS machine and my labour comb. If you don't know about labour comb, I think, like, I don't know if they're really new or people have just jumped onto the bandwagon, but basically there's a pressure point in your hand, so when your contractions are at its highest peak, you're supposed to press on the labour comb, and that's supposed to distract you from the labour pains. Because I did a hypnobirthing course, so I'm trying to do hypnobirthing, but we shall see. And then a TENS machine, that's for like the start when I'm at home. I'm gonna keep that out just in case, because I'm gonna pack this bag up, but I'm gonna need that out while I'm at home. Then I've got a peri bottle. If you don't know what a peri bottle is, you need to know. It's basically like a little shower for your bits once you've given birth, because you might tear, or you might just be a little bit sore. So this, you just fill up with water. It can be warm or cool, and then when you wee in, you just spray it, and it takes away like the acidic feeling of you and the stinging down below. So I've got a peri bottle, which is probably going to be needed. I seen this on someone else's video and I was like, I never would have thought of that, but a dirty wash bag for all your dirty clothes, if you're keeping them, if you're not. So I just thought, yeah, that's a good idea. I've got a dirty wash bag. And then just my medications for like my thyroid and my vitamin D, which I'm going to pack now. I'm just going to write medication on it. Yeah, that's one thing, never forget, like, not to take your medication into hospital, because they won't just prescribe you. If you're on a certain medication, they won't just prescribe it, yeah. So yeah, there's my medications in the bag. Then we have the nice bit to talk about, which is like disposable pads and things like that. So in here I have a hell of a load of crap. So I have, because I've never laboured before, I don't know what pads are the best, so I've just got normal thick overnight pads. I've got 4 of them just in case, because I know you do bleed quite a bit after labour. And then I've got nipple pads as well, because I know you can leak after labour and pre-labour. Then I have 2 nursing bras. I am having a water birth, so I'm just going to wear this nursing bra and get in the pool, or this nursing bra and get in the pool. So they're my, for when I get there, or I might go in one of them, I'm not sure. Then I've got some just normal big knickers. I'm hoping I'm not going to be in there longer than 6 hours, but you never know. I might have to stay in overnight if something happens, but luckily enough we only live literally like 10 minutes from the hospital, so Sam will have to just drive home, grab my bits. I've got 1 pair of socks. I don't know why I've packed, oh no, 2 pairs of socks, because I'm not planning on staying. So that's all my underwear and pads and things. And then in this side of the case, just in case I need to be out the pool, or I'm not comfortable in the pool, or there's an emergency, I've bought 2 different types of just like throw me on massive, what size is that? That was huge. What is it? I think I've got like size, God knows, but it's huge. Just to throw me over at nighty, and black obviously for the blood. And then I've got this one, which is a little bit looser, it's a bit like linen, that I can just throw on as well. And then after that we've got my coming home outfit. I just wanted something comfy. I don't know why I've gone for light colour, but I have. I've got these oversized joggers from H&M. Got them, and just a grey top, also from H&M. And then just like sentimental bits, I've got my Instax camera. I'm going to take this camera. I don't know if I'm going to vlog, depending how I feel. I need to get some film for that Instax camera. And then I just need to pack nearer the time my toothbrush, phone charger, and some snacks that are high in carbs, high in sugar, and some electrolyte drinks. I've seen someone on Instagram say drink electrolyte drinks because you're going to need your energy. So that is my bags packed, and it's just a waiting game. Hopefully it comes soon, but who knows. Yeah, so tell me in the comments if you think I've packed too much or I'm not prepared. I'm not sure. I think I've packed like for a holiday and may only be there a couple of hours, but if it's an emergency I may be there for longer, so it's better be prepared. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully next time I see you, little man may be here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's a smooth delivery. See you later, guys.